It's January 28th, 2017. Now, this is why I didn't want to just write the most recent year, because look at this. Is that in that interval?
No.
No, it is not. That's the issue. And so this fits here. All right, let's look at our timeline. Let's see how Michelle's got this labeled. RMA data, white arrows. Beginning 4/1/16, end 3/31/17. Firms 10K, green arrow pointing down 1/28/17. 1/28/17. Now, bless you. Let me be as clear about this as possible. I want you to use Michelle's timeline. That's why I'm giving her credit for this, because you're gonna, you can change the name. On the 10K report, there will probably be a symbol for your company like this. It'll be probably a JPEG file or something like that you can just fix that. You can change any of these colors. You can change what's in the box. It's totally editable. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, so anyway, that's how you need to fix this, and your timeline needs to match your comparative historical data. Now, this part should already be correct. This is what's going to be different. Now, many of your companies' year-end will actually be the calendar year-end. That's a little bit easier to deal with. I'm not saying this is impossible, but again, if you have any concern, and you should probably all have concern that you're getting this right, please ask me. I'd much rather you get it right than assume and get it wrong. Okay?
Is this due before the final?
Oh, we're gonna talk about that. We have to get through this whole thing before we're talking about the due date. Okay, so now. Does anybody have any questions about the timeline today? Let me say one other thing, just so we've got the big picture in mind here. What's going to happen is you're going to make a copy of this. Let's suppose you pick Home Depot, and if somebody wants to, that's fine. I don't care. Let's say you pick Home Depot. You save this file name with your name and put Home Depot spreadsheet number 2, and then in the ratio spreadsheet you put the Home Depot data in the purple cells, you put the Home Depot RMA report numbers in the green cells, and you change the timeline to reflect Home Depot. So you're not reinventing the wheel, is my point. This is my spreadsheet. I love my spreadsheet. Don't mess with my spreadsheet. Okay? So, glad we're on the same page. I tell you, the reason I'm going on about this, I mean, this far into the semester, you know I'm good about going on about stuff. But here's the thing. In the 410 class, which as you can imagine is a senior level class, all business administration majors have to take it. I'm the only one who teaches it. I'm happy to see my 381 students in there because they know what's going on. But anyway, it's only offered in the spring, by the way. last spring, 2/3 of the class were my 381 students, so we got along very nicely. Anyway, about 3 years ago, there was a student in that class. She was not one of my 381 students. She started with the ratio spreadsheet and she typed the ratios in the yellow cells. She didn't use the equations, she typed over the equation. She calculated it by hand. Really? I mean, duh. I wrote on her grade sheet, "This is not a typing class."
Did she make a good grade?
No.
No.
Yeah.
No, on the project or just overall in the class?
Well, in that class, the project is 50 points.
So she might as well do it. Practice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't see her again, so I don't know if she changed majors or what.
After that, I think she may have.
Yeah, she might have. Okay, anyway, so that's what this is about. All right, now we're going to talk about one other thing on the RMA report. So this is going to be point number 5. I'm sorry, period, not a.